Hello, we are going to show you how you can track attendance in Google Meet. The moment you join your Meet, you are going to see an option at the bottom that says track attendance. It's a red rectangular box. It is not going to be visible to the students. It's going to be only for the teachers, and it has been forcefully uh, installed in your school accounts. All right. The moment the Google Meet starts, you're going to click on track attendance. The student is there and the attendance is being recorded. Before you end your meet, click on this option. It says click to generate report. You click. It will take you to another tab. It is generating the attendance. Here is the report. You please change the name of this report. For example, if this was class 4A computer, so please write it. It's going to be easier for everyone to know. Then you click on view report. This is the report. There were two participants. One was the host and the other was the participant. And here it is showing how much time the person or the student was there in the class. All right, now we are going to export the report from here in a PDF form. It says highlight participants who have less than 65% attendance. That's fine. Let it be that. All right, and click on download. The moment you download this, please send this report to your coordinators, to your admin. All right. Thank you so much. I hope it works and please give us your feedback. Bye bye.